Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to install OKX Wallet. But what OKX Wallet is and what is it for? The OKX Wallet is a digital wallet provided by the cryptocurrency exchange OKX. It allows users to securely store, manage, and transact with various cryptocurrencies. So let's install it. Simply open your Chrome and click on Extensions in the top right corner. Then Manage Extensions. Click on Chrome Web Store on the left side and search OKX Wallet. Pick the first one or same as mine and click on it. Then click on blue button Add to Chrome. Small window should pop out and click on Add Extension. Now the OKX Wallet is installed in our browser. The wallet will automatically open in a new window. If it didn't, you can find it in the Extensions tab. Click on white button Create Wallet and set your password. I recommend using letters, numbers, and special characters to make your password strong. Second step of securing your wallet is seed phrase. I recommend saving these 12 words somewhere. You will need them in the next step. Seed phrase is also helpful when you lost your password or someone stole your wallet. Now pick right words from your seed phrase to confirm that you saved it. And you are done. Now you can use OKX Wallet how you want. You can, for example, store cryptocurrencies, securely hold a variety of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies, send and receive cryptocurrencies, easily transfer digital assets to and from other wallets or individuals, trade cryptocurrencies, connect with the OKX exchange to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet. The OKX Wallet provides a comprehensive solution for managing your digital assets securely and efficiently.